Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Green, the Head of Technical Engagement here at the Skolmore Group. And in today's video, we're going to be installing the Inceptor Slate backlit panel. Now, I've got a 600 by 600 panel in front of me here. Some of the features and benefits of this panel are that it does come with a flow connector, so again, make it nice and easy to install. A 30 watt rated on the wattage, 5-year warranty, TPA rating, so if you're installing these in large spaces, perfect for that, and a UGR rating which is greater than 19. The other thing I need to mention as well is that the packaging that we're now providing you with is all recyclable, so keeping those green credentials up for us and for your businesses. So what we're going to do today is see how quick we can install this panel, because it is, as we've said, nice and easy. So let's get into it. So as we said then, you get the LED driver that comes with it, and you get that flow connector, making it nice, quick and easy to install. We are going to probably cheat a little bit in terms of making sure that how quick this panel is to go in, because we've got all the wiring here. Now this system that we have in this office space here actually has got a flow system already inbuilt into it. So it has got all of the marshalling boxes already in place. So we can see here that at the top here, we've got the driver already set up. So I'm not going to need this one. All that's left for me to do is to pick the panel up, clip it in, twist and lock to make sure that it's in, spin that round, slide that in, and then turn it on. So as you can see, it's nice and well lit in this area now thanks to the Inceptor Slate backlit panel. That is the 4K version that we have up there, and again there are others available which will flash up on the screen now for you. But very easy. I didn't even need any tools with the fact that we had the flow system already inbuilt into the area here. Don't forget, if you want to learn a little bit more about some of the other products that we've got, check out some of the videos on the channel. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.